Technology. 24. The future of work. Technology's impact on careers. 1. Automation and job transformation. Advances in technology, such as artificial intelligence and robotics, are transforming job roles and tasks, leading to changes in the workforce. Automation is replacing certain repetitive and routine tasks, allowing machines to perform them more efficiently and accurately. While this may lead to job displacement in some areas, it also creates new opportunities and shifts the focus of human workers towards more complex and creative tasks. Ethical considerations arise in ensuring a smooth transition and providing support for workers affected by automation. This includes initiatives for reskilling and upskilling, promoting lifelong learning, and creating a supportive environment for workers to adapt to the changing job landscape. 1. Ethical technology practices prioritize the well-being of workers and the equitable distribution of the benefits arising from automation, aiming to create a future of work that combines technological advancements with human potential. 2. Remote work. The future of work includes an increasing trend towards remote work, enabled by technology, allowing individuals to work from anywhere with an internet connection. Remote work offers flexibility, reduced commuting time, and the potential for improved work-life balance. Ethical considerations in remote work involve ensuring equitable access to remote work opportunities, addressing the potential isolation and mental health challenges faced by remote workers, and maintaining effective communication and collaboration within remote teams. Organizations need to establish clear policies and practices that promote inclusivity, support employee well-being, and provide the necessary tools and infrastructure to facilitate remote work. By embracing remote work as an ethical practice, organizations can enhance employee satisfaction, productivity, and diversity while reducing the environmental impact associated with traditional office-based work. 3. Digital skills and demand. As technology continues to evolve, there is a growing demand for individuals with digital skills, including programming, data analysis, and cybersecurity. Ethical considerations in the development and utilization of digital skills emphasize the need for inclusive and accessible opportunities for individuals to acquire these skills. This involves promoting diversity and inclusion in technology-related fields, addressing gender and racial disparities, and providing equitable access to quality education and training programs. Ethical technology practices prioritize skill development and digital literacy as essential components of a future workforce, ensuring that individuals have the necessary skills to navigate and contribute to the digital economy. By fostering a culture of continuous learning and skills development, organizations and societies can empower individuals to thrive in an increasingly digital world. 4. Collaboration tools. Technology facilitates collaboration among teams and individuals through tools like video conferencing, project management software, and virtual workspaces. Collaboration tools enable seamless communication, information sharing, and project coordination, regardless of geographical location. Ethical considerations in the use of collaboration tools revolve around privacy, security, and data protection. Organizations must prioritize the implementation of secure and encrypted communication channels to safeguard sensitive information. Additionally, ensuring equitable access to collaboration tools and promoting digital literacy are essential ethical practices. This allows individuals to effectively participate in collaborative work environments and prevent the exclusion of those with limited access to technology. By embracing collaboration tools ethically, organizations can enhance teamwork, productivity, and innovation while fostering an inclusive and connected work culture. 5. Flexible work arrangements. Technology enables flexible work arrangements, such as flexible hours, part-time work, and freelancing, providing individuals with greater control over their work-life balance. Ethical considerations in flexible work arrangements revolve around fair compensation, worker rights, and work-life integration. Organizations need to establish policies that ensure fair remuneration and protect the rights of workers engaging in flexible work. This includes considerations such as ensuring access to benefits, promoting work-life balance, and preventing exploitation. Ethical technology practices prioritize the well-being and autonomy of workers, valuing their diverse needs and enabling them to create a work arrangement that aligns with their personal circumstances. By embracing flexible work arrangements ethically, organizations can attract and retain talent, increase employee satisfaction, and foster a more inclusive and supportive work environment. 6. Gig economy. The rise of technology platforms has given rise to the gig economy, allowing individuals to work on a freelance or contract basis, offering flexibility and diverse work opportunities. Ethical considerations in the gig economy revolve around fair compensation, worker protections, and social safety nets. As gig workers may not have the same level of benefits and protections as traditional employees, it is important to ensure that they have access to fair wages, healthcare, retirement savings, and other essential benefits. Ethical technology practices in the gig economy involve promoting transparency and accountability in platform operations, addressing potential issues of worker exploitation, and fostering a supportive ecosystem that prioritizes the well-being and rights of gig workers. By upholding ethical standards, organizations and platforms can create a fair and sustainable gig economy that benefits both workers and businesses. 7. Lifelong learning. Continuous learning and upskilling become essential as technology evolves, enabling individuals to adapt to changing job requirements and remain competitive in the job market. Ethical considerations in lifelong learning include equitable access to education and training opportunities, promoting inclusive and accessible learning environments, and supporting individuals in acquiring new skills throughout their lives. It is crucial to address barriers to learning, such as cost, geographical constraints, and socio-economic disparities, to ensure that everyone has equal opportunities for personal and professional growth. Ethical technology practices in lifelong learning involve leveraging digital platforms and resources to provide flexible, personalized, and inclusive learning experiences. By embracing lifelong learning ethically, individuals and organizations can foster a culture of continuous improvement, adaptability, and innovation, while reducing inequalities and promoting social mobility. 8. Virtual reality and training. Virtual reality technology offers immersive training experiences, allowing individuals to learn and practice skills in a simulated environment. Ethical considerations in the use of virtual reality training include ensuring the safety and well-being of participants, addressing potential ethical dilemmas, and promoting inclusive and accessible training experiences. Organizations must prioritize the ethical development and deployment of virtual reality training, including the responsible handling of data, protecting user privacy, and avoiding potential negative psychological or physical effects. Additionally, accessibility considerations should be taken into account to ensure that individuals with disabilities can fully participate in virtual reality training programs. Ethical technology practices in virtual reality training focus on creating engaging, effective, and ethical learning experiences that enhance skills development, knowledge retention, and performance improvement. 9. Augmented reality in the workplace. Augmented reality enhances productivity and efficiency by overlaying digital information onto the physical world, aiding tasks like maintenance, assembly, and training. Ethical considerations in the use of augmented reality in the workplace include privacy concerns, ensuring data security, and addressing potential ethical dilemmas. Organizations must establish clear policies and guidelines to protect sensitive information and ensure that the use of augmented reality respects individual privacy rights. Additionally, the responsible deployment of augmented reality technology involves considering the potential social and psychological impacts, promoting user well-being, and providing adequate training and support for employees using augmented reality tools. Ethical technology practices in augmented reality aim to enhance workplace performance while upholding ethical principles, fostering transparency, and respecting individual rights and well-being. 10. Data analytics for decision-making. Data analytics and business intelligence tools enable organizations to make data-driven decisions, leading to improved efficiency and productivity. Ethical considerations in data analytics revolve around privacy, consent, and responsible use of data. Organizations must ensure compliance with data protection regulations, obtain informed consent from individuals for data collection and processing, and implement robust data security measures. Ethical technology practices involve transparency in data collection and processing, avoiding biases in data analysis, and safeguarding the privacy and rights of individuals. Additionally, organizations should consider the potential social and ethical implications of data-driven decision-making, such as unintended consequences or potential harm to individuals or communities. By embracing ethical data analytics practices, organizations can unlock the value of data while maintaining trust, privacy, and fairness. 11. Cybersecurity skills. With the increasing prevalence of cyber threats, organizations are hiring cybersecurity professionals for roles like security analysts, penetration testers, and incident responders. Ethical considerations in cybersecurity skills focus on responsible and ethical hacking practices, respect for user privacy, and the responsible disclosure of vulnerabilities. Cybersecurity professionals must adhere to ethical guidelines and legal frameworks, ensuring that their actions are aimed at protecting systems, data, and individuals without causing harm. Additionally, organizations should prioritize ongoing training and education for cybersecurity professionals to stay updated with evolving threats and ethical practices. Ethical technology practices in cybersecurity involve fostering a culture of integrity, trust, and responsibility, prioritizing the protection of digital assets while upholding ethical principles and respecting individual privacy rights. 12. Human-machine collaboration. The future of work involves increased collaboration between humans and machines, with humans focusing on tasks that require creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. Ethical considerations in human-machine collaboration revolve around ensuring human well-being, addressing potential job displacement, and promoting inclusive work environments. Organizations must consider the impact of automation on the workforce, providing support for workers to transition into new roles and fostering a culture of lifelong learning and adaptability. Ethical technology practices in human-machine collaboration involve designing systems that enhance human capabilities, prioritize human dignity and well-being, and consider the potential societal impact of automation. By embracing ethical human-machine collaboration, organizations can unlock the potential of technology to augment human capabilities while fostering a work environment that values human skills and creativity. 13. Remote collaboration tools. Technology platforms and tools facilitate seamless collaboration among remote teams, enabling real-time communication and project coordination. Ethical considerations in remote collaboration tools include data security, privacy protection, and promoting inclusive and effective communication. Organizations must implement secure and encrypted communication channels to safeguard sensitive information and ensure compliance with data protection regulations. Ethical technology practices involve promoting inclusivity in remote collaboration by considering diverse communication styles, accommodating different time zones and cultural contexts, and providing accessible communication channels for individuals with disabilities. Additionally, organizations should prioritize the well-being of remote team members, fostering a sense of belonging, social connection, and work-life balance. By embracing ethical remote collaboration practices, organizations can enhance team productivity, innovation, and employee satisfaction in remote work environments. 14. Telecommuting and work-life balance. Technology allows for telecommuting, reducing commuting time and enhancing work-life balance by offering greater flexibility and autonomy. Ethical considerations in telecommuting and work-life balance include maintaining clear boundaries between work and personal life, addressing potential work-related stress and burnout, and ensuring equitable access to telecommuting opportunities. Organizations must establish policies that promote work-life balance, set realistic expectations for availability and response times, and provide support mechanisms for employees to manage their workloads effectively. Ethical technology practices involve leveraging technology to support work-life balance, such as implementing flexible scheduling tools, providing well-being resources, and promoting digital detox and time management practices. By embracing ethical telecommuting and work-life balance practices, organizations can enhance employee well-being, satisfaction, and overall performance. 15. Digital transformation in industries. The integration of technology across industries is leading to digital transformation, altering business models and creating new job opportunities. Ethical considerations in digital transformation involve ensuring inclusivity, addressing potential job displacement, and promoting responsible innovation. Organizations must consider the impact of digital transformation on employees, customers, and communities, striving for equitable access to the benefits of technology and minimizing any negative social or economic consequences. Ethical technology practices involve involving stakeholders in the digital transformation process, promoting transparency and accountability, and prioritizing the well-being of individuals and communities affected by the changes. Additionally, organizations should prioritize sustainability and social responsibility in their digital transformation efforts, considering the environmental impact and ethical implications of technological advancements. By embracing ethical digital transformation practices, organizations can harness the potential of technology to create positive social and economic outcomes while upholding ethical principles and societal well-being. 16. Cybersecurity roles. As cyber threats increase, organizations are hiring cybersecurity professionals for roles like security analysts, penetration testers, and incident responders. Ethical considerations in cybersecurity roles revolve around responsible and ethical practices, protecting user privacy and data security, and fostering a culture of trust and integrity. Cybersecurity professionals must adhere to ethical guidelines, maintain confidentiality, and act in the best interests of protecting systems, data, and individuals. Organizations should prioritize hiring individuals with strong ethical values, provide ongoing training and education on ethical cybersecurity practices, and establish clear ethical standards and policies. Ethical technology practices in cybersecurity roles involve promoting transparency, accountability, and responsible information sharing within the cybersecurity community. By embracing ethical cybersecurity practices, organizations can enhance their cybersecurity posture, safeguard sensitive information, and build trust with customers and stakeholders. 12. Artificial intelligence in decision-making. AI technologies assist in decision-making processes by analyzing vast amounts of data, improving accuracy, and optimizing outcomes. Ethical considerations in the use of AI in decision-making revolve around fairness, transparency, and accountability. Organizations must ensure that AI algorithms are designed and trained to avoid biases, discrimination, and unethical decision-making. Ethical technology practices involve conducting regular audits and assessments of AI systems to identify and mitigate biases, promoting transparency in AI decision-making processes, and ensuring that humans retain the ability to review and challenge AI-generated decisions. Additionally, organizations should consider the potential societal impact of AI-driven decisions, striving for inclusive and equitable outcomes. By embracing ethical AI in decision-making, organizations can leverage the benefits of AI while upholding ethical principles, fostering trust, and avoiding potential harm to individuals or communities. 18. Collaborative robots, cobots. Collaborative robots work alongside humans, enhancing productivity and efficiency by automating repetitive tasks while ensuring human safety. Ethical considerations in the use of collaborative robots revolve around safety, human dignity, and ethical design. Organizations must prioritize the safety of human workers by implementing proper risk assessments, safety protocols, and ensuring that cobots adhere to safety standards. Ethical technology practices involve designing cobots that are intuitive, user-friendly, and promote collaboration, considering ergonomic factors, and respecting human dignity and autonomy. Additionally, organizations should provide appropriate training and support for workers interacting with cobots, ensuring that they understand the capabilities and limitations of the technology. By embracing ethical collaborative robot practices, organizations can improve workplace safety, enhance productivity, and create a harmonious human-robot work environment. 19. Digital nomadism. Technology enables individuals to work remotely while traveling, embracing a digital nomad lifestyle and exploring new locations without sacrificing work commitments. Ethical considerations in digital nomadism revolve around responsible travel, work obligations, and cultural sensitivity. Digital nomads should be mindful of the environmental impact of their travels, promoting sustainable tourism practices and respecting local communities and cultures. Ethical technology practices involve ensuring reliable and secure internet access for digital nomads, promoting work-life balance, and addressing the potential challenges of managing work commitments while traveling. Additionally, digital nomads should respect local laws and regulations, contribute positively to the communities they visit, and be aware of the potential impact on local economies. By embracing ethical digital nomadism, individuals can enjoy the benefits of location-independent work while fostering responsible and respectful travel practices. 20. Automation in manufacturing. Automation technologies, including robots and advanced machinery, are revolutionizing the manufacturing industry by streamlining production processes and increasing efficiency. Ethical considerations in automation in manufacturing revolve around job displacement, worker retraining, and social impact. Organizations must address the potential impact of automation on workers, providing support for retraining and reskilling to ensure a smooth transition into new roles. Ethical technology practices involving workers in the automation process, providing opportunities for their input, and ensuring that the benefits of automation are shared equitably. Additionally, organizations should consider the potential social and economic consequences of automation, such as income inequality and worker well-being. By embracing ethical automation practices, organizations can enhance productivity, quality, and competitiveness while prioritizing the well-being and livelihoods of their workforce. 21. Career mobility and adaptability. The future of work requires individuals to be adaptable, open to change, and willing to acquire new skills to remain relevant in an evolving job market. Ethical considerations in career mobility and adaptability revolve around providing equal opportunities for career advancement, promoting lifelong learning, and supporting individuals in navigating career transitions. Organizations must prioritize inclusivity and diversity, ensuring that career advancement opportunities are accessible to individuals from different backgrounds and experiences. Ethical technology practices involve providing resources, training, and mentorship programs to support individuals in acquiring new skills, fostering a culture of continuous learning, and promoting adaptability and resilience. Additionally, organizations should consider the impact of career transitions on employee well-being, providing support mechanisms and creating a supportive work environment. By embracing ethical career mobility and adaptability practices, organizations can foster a dynamic and agile workforce, empowering individuals to navigate their career paths and contribute to their full potential. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and comment below if you agree or would like to add your thoughts.